Yeah, so we were able to link the applications, right? Apply changes. We need to create an app, create page. App is already created. We need to create a page for this. Let's dive into this application which we have, and then what it is asking for, it is asking to create a page from where page wizard. Okay, create application it is. We don't want to create an application, we want to create a page. Let's see how it looks. Okay. Okay, I need to provide the password. Remember username, sign in. It is pretty empty now. Okay, because yeah, so this is the initial application. Now I think we need to create a page where we will see this details of employee, right? So let's dive into this. I need to close. How to close? Close Windows. Oh, create page here. Yeah, correct. Create page. So it is selecting for the interacting report. We will choose the same. Okay. Now we need to provide the name. So name will be employee, employees, and then page mode will be normal, include form page, and the page number will be 3. It is by default. Page form page number, which is maintain employee, and then it will be the modal dialog line, or it will show the dialog box, I think, for us. Okay, and then rest data source. Okay, so from where this page will get the data, so we have created a data source. Okay, we need to link that. Use wordcom, I think we it is pretty the same which we have done. Yeah. Let's create a next primary key. So what will the primary key? You must be knowing about this primary key in a table, right? So employee number should be employee primary key. I think it has chosen the same. Yeah, employee number. Correct. Create a page. Let's see if anything is changing into that. Yeah, see, like we had the home. Now there is a page added for our data, JSON data, and we will see the pop-up. Okay, pop-up is also coming, which we have created. Great. So it is working pretty good so far. Okay, now we will see improve report. So let's see columns. What are the things we need to add? Okay. If I want to open this in a same tab, will it work? No, it is not working. Okay, fair enough. So this has the president. This is something manager, sale, name. So it is kind of un like no, name should become first, right? And then the what job he's doing. So I think it is talking about that only, that the data is very cluttered and we need to yeah, move this. So yeah, that we can do. here action, and then columns. Ah, okay, we need to move this to top. Let's see. Yeah, so e-name, employee name, and department number is coming. This is the number. Okay, and we will save it. Save reward. Okay, so we'll grant as a name, as a default report setting, primary. Okay, save. So if I close this and try to launch again, it should come as it is, right? Yeah, it is coming as it is. Let's see what next it is saying. Oh yeah, it is doing the same. Action, report, save report. Yeah, we have saved. Default, yes, we have done the same. Primary, update the form. Now, form page for the edit record also needs some improvement. So let's see what improvement is required. Okay. So he's saying that if we click on the create. So this is job. It is pretty text area, right? Manager, employee name is also the text area. I think it is talking about that which we can improvise. Yeah. So within the paint designer, we will click on P3 employee number, and then it is a number field, right? So P3, let's go to P3, page designer P3, yeah. So we have created the P3. Now P3 employee number is a what? It is hidden and number field it. So it is number field. Let's see if it is coming as a number field here. MN number field, yeah. And then label entered as an employee number, employer ID. Okay, I can see employer ID. Right? I will save in that way. Then employer number should only be entered, should not be updated as it is a primary key. So therefore, we should make item read only. So read only type, item is not null, and select V3 employee. Okay. So it is talking about read only. Let's see, like if I can search. Oh yeah, there is a read only. I can filter out. It is saying that it should not be null, and item should be okay P3 employee number. Yeah. So warning went off. Once it is done, for the job and name, we need to do the same. Okay. Job. Yeah, so I was saying, right, it was coming as a big text area. So we can do this text field, right? So to pick the P3 job and text field, we need to change to the text field, which I have done. Other item should be improved with employee name, right? That is also was coming as a text field, text area. So we will convert this to the text field. Okay. And order of item should be improved. So employee name should be coming. So yeah, so it should be coming after employee number, and let's see how it was coming. So if we see this, right, job manager, and then later it was coming as a Let's see why it is coming like that. Yeah. So this sequence is kind of very messy. It should come as an employee name and then should have the job, something like that. So we will able to modify this. So it is talking about that only. Employee name should be coming after employee number. Department number should be after the employee name. So department should be after the employee name. Okay. Commission should be placed on the same line of the salary. Oh, so yeah, so I think we can, in a single line, we can do this. Let's see. Oh my God, undo it. Let's see what is how to do it. Mm. Uh, oh, oh, yeah. So it will be coming besides of the cell. Okay, that's great. Oh, okay, now we will see that what other things we can do it. Okay, I think we are pretty done here. Save it. Does it refresh? Does it allow to refresh? Copy website address. Close it. I want to see. Okay, yeah. Yeah, see, we have changed this sequence, right? Sale coming as a employee ID is coming, employee name is coming, department is coming that. So pretty we have changed, right? Yeah. So it is like lively, it is changing it. Great. Insert a record. So now, as we have defined insert REST API, right? It will be interacting directly. So we now we don't no need to write anything on this. We can create. So let's create a employee ID. I say 1000 and employee name is Codecraft. Department number I will say for example 5. So let's see because it will is it is a foreign key, then we need to use that. Department number 10, right? So yeah, it is like you see, it is not very easy yet. Like we need to jump to the department table and see what are the things. Let's see what is the department number is talking about. Department. Oh, DPT. Ah, yeah. So we have the department 10 is accounting. So we will be pointing to the accounting. Okay, so it will be great that if it is a kind of a drop down to choose accounting, right? So we'll see that if we can achieve that too. So job is it that's kind of ID we need to provide. So job is a salesman. I will say I'm a educator or something like that. Manager, who is my manager? No. Okay, we need to provide the manager ID 7839. This is also we need to remember the ID. Okay, let's give the same here. Okay. Salary. I'm not getting anything. Let's do this 500, 1500. Commission. No commission. But still, let's see. We fill it out. Hire date is today date. Pretty things we have entered. Let's create it. See if it is coming. Yeah, that is coming here. Hmm. Department number, job, manager, sale, and column. If we see that, is it changing our employee data also? Mm, yeah, so it has added my JSON data. Correct. So code drafted. We are getting the lively data change as well, lively data, our form change. It's great. Now let's see if we have created. I think yeah, it is doing the pretty same. Peter, salesman, and entered 500 value saved with salary. After filling all those details, it is like we have verified this as well, form, and we have verified our JSON data as well. We can update. So for example, I there is no king, there is a queen, president, manager. Not sure. Let's see if I it is asking to change anything. So yeah, department is asking for the 40. I don't know what 40 has, but still. Yeah, that is a like problematic. I need to jump into the department ID. What is 40? 40 is operation. Hmm. So it will be linked to the operation thing. Sally 3,500 and apply changes. Let's see. So the king was something else, right? And department was 10 earlier. Job is president. Okay. And the manager, no one is manager because he is itself a manager. And then commission is zero, higher date. Okay, we can change it to something like oh, 18. See, apply changes. Oh, yeah, see, we are able to change it. Queen, president, 3,500. Hmm. So it is changing for us. Let's see if this is changing the JSON. Of course, it should change. Let's verify. Queen, yeah, it is changing our JSON data along with that. Great. So delete a record to whom we want to delete. It is asking for the turner to delete. Okay, let's delete Turner. I'm sorry, Turner, to delete you from here. Delete. Hmm. So it is like changing this form, right? And see if it is Turner here in employee Turner. Yeah. So this entry should, I have not refreshed it. This should not be there anymore. Yeah. So it is deleted. It was after Martin. So this is deleting the JSON. Pretty cool, right? It is changing the form, it is changing the data, I think table, and then it is our REST API is fetching those table, employee table, and REST API is also working like fabulous here. Okay, summary. So we have completed lab 4, how to utilize the REST endpoint to develop report form, allowed food, crude operations.